What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I told you guys I was thinking about changing the name of my channel. Before my daughter got in that accident, this is the video I was going to do, but I just decided to do it like this, make it easier for y'all to follow me. Plus, you ain't got to look at me the whole time. But anyway, man, I was scrolling through YouTube, and I happened to come across this video right here, and I didn't know anything about this channel. Tavares, I was kind of looking through. He seemed to be doing a lot of modifications to different cars and stuff like that. But I came across this one video he just recently posted, and he's talking about Dodge gave him a brand new HELLCAT Redeye to modify. You look through his channel, you see that he's modifying a lot of different cars, and he's getting a lot of views. And this is one of the reasons why I say I wanted to change my name, change the name of my channel. Leave y'all comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. And I also want you guys to help me out with the name, what name I can use. And because I just find this very interesting, considering, now I don't know about y'all, but when I first started YouTube, when I first got into YouTube, I used to watch Tall Guy. And I remember when he bought that HELLCAT Challenger, that was his dream car. And it's just funny to me that Dodge hasn't reached out to him and, offered to give him a HELLCAT, considering all the promotion that Tall Guy gives Dodge as far as HELLCATs. And, he considered himself the HELLCAT king. And I'm going to be honest, I wasn't even really thinking about no HELLCATs and stuff like that until I seen Tall Guy by that HELLCAT Challenger. I mean, he's pretty much the one that motivated me to want to even start a channel. Him and RT Life. Now, granted, this other guy has like 1 point something million subscribers. So it makes sense. Now, I don't know if that may have something to do with it, why Dodge reached out to him, because he has more subscribers. But if you really think about it, most of the people that promote Dodge that has like Hemi in their name, or always, most of their content is about a Dodge vehicle. I haven't seen Dodge reach out to them about anything. I think my boy Hemi Life, I think Dodge had mentioned him or gave him a package or something. But other than that, man, I don't see Dodge really reaching out to nobody. And the people that Dodge actually reaches out to, they don't even have Hemi or Dodge anywhere in their channel. You know what I'm saying? Their name will have Dodge in it or Hemi. Their channel features more than just Dodge vehicles. Again, this guy Tavares, I'm not going to click on the video because copyright. I just found this very interesting, man. And then there's another guy that Dodge gave a vehicle to. It's just crazy, man. I mean, there's no hate. I mean, I think that's cool. I mean, I understand it. And, no shade towards these guys. But I just found it funny. See this guy right here, Weston Champlin. He does a lot of different vehicles as well. See right here, he has a Mustang. He said he bought a 4x4 Lincoln and blew it up. So he's doing a lot of different things on his channel. But it looks like he features a lot of Mopar vehicles, though. I will say that about his channel. But again, he's not just strictly focused on Dodge. And he doesn't have Hemi or Dodge or anything like that in his channel name. Now, this is why I'm considering changing the name of my channel, man, because I want to be able to bring different content to the channel and not just Mopar content. Because I like all cars, and I've said that before in my previous videos. I just found this interesting. Especially the thing about Tall Guy, or even I wouldn't say Mr. Organic, because Mr. Organic always kind of moved around with his different. He always had different vehicles. He was never really like a big Mopar guy. The point where Organic had a HELLCAT, he was just pretty much building his channel. He always said that wasn't really his thing. Speed wasn't really his thing. He was into more like Mercedes and more of the high-end vehicles. That was more his thing. But me, myself, man, I just want to take my channel to another level. And right now I'm being just Hemi Muscle. is putting me in a box. Now, I will always do Mopar content, probably more than any other brand, but at the same time, right now, if I decide to bring a different vehicle to the channel, most of y'all won't even watch it. You know what I'm saying? And that's just facts, because every time I've tried to feature a different type of car on my channel, they get to no clicks. The only way I can get clicks if it's clickbait, and people already complain about clickbait when I ain't even clickbaiting. If it don't say the exact thing I'm doing in the video, it's clickbait. So you can't please everybody. I mean, sometimes it just get ridiculous, but it is what it is. Like I said, so again, just something I'm thinking about, man. I'm not going to hold y'all too long. I just found this interesting. This guy, Dodge, so Dodge wants the Hellcat back. I haven't even watched that video. See right here, Dodge gave me a free Hellcat. I mean, that's just crazy, bro. And I've yet to see them reach out to Tall Guy or anybody else that's been promoting Mopar content. I've never seen them give them a Hellcat. Mod to Fame, you know, RT Life, anybody, the Mopar guys. It's just strange to me that these guys right here were given a Hellcat and they don't even really feature Mopar content like that. Mod to Fame, I always go to his channel because I know he's a big Mopar guy. I don't recall ever seeing Dodge reach out to him and give him a Hellcat or give him any kind of vehicles. I mean, I could be wrong, I don't know, but if you look through his channel, he's definitely a Mopar guy as well. Like I said, RT Life. I'm talking about these are big time Mopar guys that has a pretty good following. You look, my boy RT Life he's close to 100K. And look, his channel is strictly Mopar for the most part. I would think somebody like him that Dodge will reach out to. And again, he has RT Life. You know, that's he's kind of in the box as well, unless he starts a whole different channel. You know what I'm saying? And that's always an option as well, is just start a whole new channel. Even though I have a second channel, but I just post shorts over there, all kinds of different car content. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, I'll leave a link to that. It's called Motor Source. And I just post mostly shorts over there. So I don't know, guys. Leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think. And people are saying the Tall Guy's channel is failing. I don't know, man. I don't think his channel's failing. I just think that he needs to he just gotta start uploading more. I mean, the man just got married, so I mean, he gotta live his life as well. So I don't know, but leave your comments, man. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.